Hello, and welcome to our video on ecological relationships. In nature, organisms don't live in isolation. They interact with each other in a variety of ways, forming complex relationships that shape the ecosystems we see around us. Today, we'll explore some of the most common types of relationships: mutualism, predation, parasitism, competition, and commensalism. Mutualism is a relationship where both organisms benefit. A classic example is the relationship between bees and flowers. Bees collect nectar from flowers, which they use for food. In the process, they also pollinate the flowers, helping the flowers reproduce. So the bees get food, and the flowers get help reproducing. It's a win-win situation. Predation is a relationship where one organism, the predator, kills and eats another organism, the prey. This is a fundamental part of the food chain. Predators help to control the populations of their prey, which in turn helps to maintain the balance of the ecosystem. Parasitism is a relationship where one organism, the parasite, benefits at the expense of another organism, the host. Parasites often live on or inside their hosts, feeding on them without killing them immediately. Examples of parasites include ticks, fleas, and tapeworms. Competition occurs when two or more organisms compete for the same resources, such as food, water, or space. Competition can occur between individuals of the same species, called intraspecific competition, or between individuals of different species, called interspecific competition. Commensalism is a relationship where one organism benefits while the other organism is neither harm nor help. Cattle egrets often follow herds of grazing animals. As the cattle disturb the ground, they flush out insects that the egrets then feed on. The grazing animals are not significantly impacted by the presence of the egrets. These relationships are essential for maintaining the balance of ecosystems. They help to regulate populations, cycle nutrients, and promote biodiversity. Understanding these relationships is crucial for understanding how ecosystems function and how human activities can impact them. I hope you enjoyed watching this video on ecological relationship. Thank you for watching.